Since its emergence, SARS-CoV-2 has caused more than 700 million confirmed cases worldwide, spreading rapidly not only among the general population, but also to healthcare workers who diagnose and treat patients. During the COVID-19 pandemic, about 11% of healthcare workers worldwide were infected with SARS-CoV-2, and due to the overwhelming demand for testing, most medical institutions suffered from severe shortages of staff and medical resources. Test results often took more than a week to be delivered, making rapid response extremely difficult. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, fast and accurate diagnostic technologies have become essential, with urgent needs to protect healthcare workers and strengthen infection control through efficient testing systems. To address these challenges, BIONEER developed the fully automated molecular diagnostic system, ExiStation FA, along with the AccuPower RV kit for respiratory virus detection. The AccuPower RV kit detects not only SARS-CoV-2, but also Influenza A and B viruses and RSV quickly and safely, helping diagnosis and reducing the burden on medical sites. With the AccuPower RV kit, operators do not need to manually open sample tubes. Simply load the collected sample tubes into the instrument, and the system automatically opens, processes, and transfers the samples. This ensures that operators are safely protected from aerosol-related infection risks. The ExiStation FA is also equipped with a HEPA filter and UV lamp to effectively block any potential leakage of specimens. The AccuPower RV kit ensures high efficiency by requiring minimal manpower for nucleic acid extraction and PCR, while significantly reducing testing time. With all components loaded, a single press of start button initiates fully automated processing from sample transfer to nucleic acid extraction and real-time PCR, all completed within 2 hours, processing up to 96 samples simultaneously. It enables simultaneous detection of SARS-CoV-2, Influenza A and B viruses, and RSV, covering a wide range of acute respiratory infections. It also detects major SARS-CoV-2 variants, as well as Influenza A and B subtypes and lineages. The AccuPower RV kit has been clinically validated, demonstrating over 95% sensitivity and more than 99% specificity. Test respiratory infections quickly and safely with the AccuPower RV kit.